Galaxy A25 5G is powered with 5000 mAh battery, which possesses faster charging threshold. Galaxy A25 5G is an impressive phone with a plethora of compelling features, including a default 120Hz refresh rate for smoother animation, Super AMOLED display, and more. GAD Insider has compiled a few tips and tricks to enhance users' experience. How to change app shortcuts in Samsung Galaxy A25 5G Edge panel. There are two ways to easily edit the Edge panel. Go into the settings and swipe along the edge to open it. Here's how to change the panel apps. Firstly, navigate to the home screen and open the Edge panel. Now click on the edit icon and then app. Afterwards, click on the minus icon available beside the app icon to remove it from the list. Now click and drag it above the different icon to replace it. Now click on the back arrow to save your edited Edge panel. To edit your Edge panel from Samsung settings, firstly, open the settings display Edge panels. Now clicking on panels, users are also allowed to change the panel type among apps, people, smart select tasks, weather, tools, and clipboard as the default one that is opened. Afterwards, tap edit right below the apps panel and select your desired apps from the list. Then save your selection. Setting up shortcuts with Samsung Galaxy A25 5G side button. Initially, you have to double press the side buttons to open the camera apps by default and assign the latest action to the side button. Follow these steps to set up the shortcuts. Firstly, click on Settings Advanced Features side button. Now press the side button and click on the gear icon beside the open app. Click your desired app from the list. Quick methods to save battery life of Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. However, Galaxy A25 5G is powered with 5000 mAh battery, which possesses a faster charging threshold, but still, if you want to keep your phone charged for a longer duration, then use the following method. Use power saving mode. Firstly, navigate to Settings Battery Power Saving. Now click on Off. Moreover, users can also opt for other options in the power saving settings page, including turning off the always on display, limiting CPU speed to 70%, decreasing brightness, turning off 5G, and more for less drainage, reducing refresh rate. For less battery drainage, you may require to reduce the refresh rate by following these steps. Firstly, open Settings Display Motion Smoothness. Now, select Standard and tap on Apply.